Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. Today we will see how we can validate our text inputs or the form controls uh, using the validation like IsMatch function so that we can check our phone number exists in this format or not, or its length is should be 10 digit, either for the zip code, either it can be a 5 digit or in this format like 5 digit hyphen 4 digit. Same for the email address, how we can validate that the email address is proper or not to check username at the rate domain dot extension. Same for the password, we will check how we can check its character limit is more than or equal to 8, or it should contain a lowercase uppercase number. So let's see how we can make this validation inside Power Apps. First, select your text input. Here is the on-change property. We'll write if is match now self.text. Now there is a double quotes. Yeah. So if this match, here we are using the isMatch function. In isMatch function, we have a caret which is shift plus s. So it's called caret. Now caret. So when we are starting of a string, it start with the caret. Caret is equal to question mark, then slash, blackboard slash plus 1. It means the phone number will start using the plus 1 digit. For 3 digit, we will again use backward slash d, curly braces. D means digit. So 3 digits, and let me add the dollar first. Wait, if is match 3 digit. Now the bracket close. After that, there's need a one space, backward slash digit, 3 digit hyphen. Now it should be a 4 digit. So again backward slash d 4 dollar. Yeah. So if is matched with this, then notify correct format and notification type success, else it will be show notify incorrect format, notification type error. Yeah, so let's check this. If phone number contains plus 1 bracket 3 digit 123, now there should be one space 123 hyphen 1234. It is showing me as a correct format. If I'm removing this one, incorrect format. Okay, so this condition is match perfect. Now what if I need either user can enter in this format or they can enter a 10 digit number? So how we can create this? So our first condition is same, that the formula. Now after dollar we'll use a or sign, or it start with the caret. then backward slash D. Its digit is 10 digit. Simple, 10 digit. Now again our code is done. Now then dollar. Let's check if my digit is 10 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. It is showing me a correct format. Now same if I do a plus 1 203 space 123 hyphen 1234. Yeah, correct format. So our phone number validation is done. Same as we will use for the zip code. Now our condition is either zip code is a 5 digit, or it will be a like 5 digit hyphen 4 digit. So same, copy our own change code, control C, go to the zip code, on change property. Here I am using a notify function. You can either use your set your variable and display your variable inside a label. So here we'll remove this condition. Here our requirement is either the zip code should be a 5 digit. So for that I will do it start with the caret, then backward slash D, curly braces, it should be a 5 digit dollar, or it can be a caret backward slash D, 5 digit hyphen backward slash D, 4 digit. Yeah. Now next is dollar also, because it complete the string. Yes. Either we can put the 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5, enter correct format, or we can do hyphen 1 2 3 4, correct format. If I'm doing 5 digit hyphen 5 digit, it is showing incorrect format. So like that we can use for the zip code. Our next is email address. So email address should contain a username at the rate domain dot extension. So domains, every user has a different domain. Like someone is using Gmail, someone using Outlook, someone using Yahoo. So how we can manage in this? But all the domain, after domain extension is mostly more than 2 digit, like gmail.com, which is 3 digit .com. If I am using like on microsoft.com, it is also com. If I'm using org or co or .in, so mostly it is more than the 2 digit. So let's make this control A control V, same code. Now remove this. Here we start with the caret. Next, inside the square bracket, let's do the username. Username can be any small character A to Z, any capital character A to Z, any number 0 to 9, or dot like Shweta dot Gupta, underscore, percentage, plus, minus, anything. This is our username. Plus, now there's a at the rate. After at the rate, it has domain. Inside the domain, it can be A to G, capital A to G, 0 to 9. Here I am also giving dot, and there's a like minus. After that, plus, backward slash, dot, Again, inside the square bracket, 8 A to Z, caps A to Z. This is the .com or .uk or .co, like this, and its length more than 2. So for that we will use a curly braces 2, then comma. After that our code has been done, then we will put a dollar symbol. Let me show you, like innovative workspace 7 at gmail.com. Correct format. If I am making it a gmail.co, it is also correct. If I am putting gmail.c, it's incorrect. If I am putting in, it's correct. Here I am putting a 123 Shweta at gmail.com. It's correct format. So for email address, we can do this type of validations using IsMatch function. Next, the most important, which is a password. For password, same, copy the on change property, remove this condition or the format of the text, and use caret. Inside the bracket you will use a question mark is equal to dot multiply a to z. Now copy this question mark to a to z, control c, control v. Here it will be a to g, a to z. Bracket close. Now our next is same, control v. Here we need any of the digit. For that we will use backward slash d, d for the digit. Next, this complete length, it can be a dot 8 or more. So after it we will use a comma. Now our code is done, so we will put a dollar symbol. Let's test this. Like here I am giving z, a to z, and then d, then 8. Now let's test. If I am putting 7, it is showing a correct format. If I am only do caps innovative, or it is on the smaller, and I am putting a number 5, because I is capital over here. If I am putting small, you can see it's a incorrect format. So using this isMatch function, we can take the leverage of the matching the format of the text, and we can validate our form. If you like my video, please hit like button or subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.